Jai Shri Guru Bhagavad. Devotees of the Master. Classification of the devotees. Subhakta according to quality and activities of the devotees. The devotee always keeps the words of the Guru at heart. Holding the Guru in his heart, he indulges in worldly warfare. One who is surrendered at the feet of the Guru is a sant, saint, even if he is a family man. Even if he has not studied any scriptures, such a worldly person is a true sant, saint. He does not entertain the difference between karma, action, and akarma, inaction mentally. He, therefore, experiences akarma in karma and gets the knowledge of karma in akarma. One for whom the Guru is the ideal, only the sayings of the Guru become his religion. A devotee who is unwavering is the best devotee of the Guru. Subhakta according to performance of duties of Guru. Propagating the name of the Guru, he always performs pious activities. One who possesses Guru Shakti, powers of the Guru, at heart within him, whom has he to be afraid of? Shunning his ego and intellect, he always looks towards the Guru. On receiving the orders of Guru, he starts off like a lion cub, fearlessly. While performing Guru Karma, he is never afraid. Even when an uncertain situation arrives, he is not overwhelmed with fear. Having received noble qualities from the Guru, he performs pious activities in the world. Neither he has attachment or fear, nor is he bothered about success or failure. Neither is he afraid of the society nor of his own loss or gain. He moves around fearlessly in the worldly illusions like an intoxicated elephant, fearlessly. When the society, moral values gets degraded, he challenges and destroys it. In order to create a new society, he does not fear death. Chanting the Guru's name on his lips, he wanders in the society fearlessly. The Guru is like a ship in a river with strong currents who always saves the devotees from dangers. All his actions get easily performed, the situation turns favorable. Whichever friend he needs in Guru Karma, activities of Guru, he, the friend, appears before him. While performing Guru's work, the devotee receives the power of Guru. He seems as if possessed by a spirit while doing Guru's work, totally oblivious of grief and pain. The actions of such devotees are selfless. They only seek Guru Prem, love of Guru. Such pious souls are great. Going through a lot of experience, he learns the nature of the Guru. Hence, he engages himself in Guru Karma with a fearless mind. They are the servants of the Guru and are his main disciples. Performing the duties towards Guru becomes the nature of one with Guru as the presiding deity. For such devout workers, there is no end to their activities. The scope of their activities goes on expanding in their life. A simple duty is followed by a difficult one. The quality of his performance goes on improving. They perform big and noble jobs and earn name and fame. Jai Shri Guru Bhagavad.